Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix PDF embedding with Adobe Acrobat, full guide step by step clearly. To fix PDF embedding issues with Adobe Acrobat, begin by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Next, open the PDF file that you want to work with. Navigate to the Tools menu in the upper left corner of the screen. From the Tools menu, select the Edit PDF option. Once the editing tools are active, click on the area where the embedded PDF is located. If the PDF is not visible, right-click on the area and select Edit Object from the. If there is an error icon or a placeholder for the file, you may need to re-embed the PDF. To do this, delete the placeholder and highlight the area where you want to add the PDF. Go back to the Tools menu and select Rich Media to access the embedding options. Click on Add Video or Add SWF, depending on the version of the PDF you are working with. In the dialog that appears, locate the PDF file you want to embed and select it. Once selected, click Open to begin the embedding process. After embedding, adjust the size and position of the PDF object as needed. To finalize the changes, click on the Close button on the Edit PDF toolbar. Next, save your document by selecting File and then Save As. Choose a location on your computer and click Save. Finally, close Adobe Acrobat and reopen the PDF to check if the embedding was successful. You should now see the PDF properly embedded and accessible within your document. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.